The Hupejos 360 4-channel dash cam offers comprehensive protection with its full high-definition 1080 pixels resolution across 4 adjustable channels, ensuring a wide 360-degree field of view. This dash cam features loop recording and a built-in G sensor, which automatically detects sudden shakes or collisions, locking the footage to prevent overwriting. Equipped with superior night vision and wide dynamic range technology, the camera captures clear details even in low-light conditions, making it reliable for nighttime driving. The dashcam's 24-hour parking mode provides continuous recording with low power consumption, ensuring your vehicle is always protected when parked. Installation is straightforward, and the built-in Wi-Fi allows users to manage recordings through an app on their iOS or Android devices, making it user-friendly and convenient. An included 64-gigabyte micro SD card ensures ample storage, and the dashcam supports expansion up to 256 gigabytes, accommodating extensive recording needs.